Here x is uniform in AB and the given is y equal to x square. So we have to find fy of y and fx of x. So fx of x is given 1 divided by b minus a, where x is in between a and b, and as x is uniform, so in other case it will be 0. So the distribution function of will be 0 when x less than a, x minus a divided by b minus a when x is between a and b, and 1 when x greater than equal to b. So when a equal to minus 1, we can find x plus 1 divided by b minus a when x is between a and b. So from this we can draw the graph of f of x, which will be this graph starting from minus 1, and this point will be b, and the maximum value will be 1. So fy of y equal to 0 when y less than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 9, and we also know that b equal to 3, which is already given in the question. So when y is in between 0 to 1, we can find there is a 2 root of y. So y will be equal to g of x, which is equal to x square. So the value of x will be plus minus root over of y. So fy of y is equal to fx of x1 divided by g dash x1 plus fx x2 divided by g dash x2, and we already know the value of fx of x1, which is 1 by 4 divided by minus 2 root y modulus plus 1 by 4 divided by 2 root over of y, which is equal to 1 divided by 4 root y. For y in between 1 and 9, we can find fy of y is equal to fx of x divided by g of x. So fx of x value is 1 by 4 and g of x value is 2 root over y modulus, which is equal to 1 divided by 8 root y. So fy of y can be obtained is equal to 1 by 4 root y for when y is in between 0 and 1, and 1 by 8 root y for when I is between 1 to 9. So distribution function of y can be obtained as fy of y when so the value of y equal to 1 by 2 root y when the y value is between 0 and 1, and 1 by 4 root y plus 1 when the y value is between 1 to 9, and when the y value is greater than 9, we can find the distribution function of y value is 1. So fy of y is equal to 1 by 4 root y into step function of y minus u of y minus 1 plus 1 by root y into u of y minus 1 minus u of y minus 9, and the distribution function will be 1 by 2 root y into u of y minus u of y minus 1 plus 1 by 4 into root of y plus 1 into u of y minus 1 minus u of y minus 9. From this we can obtain this graph, and we're getting the 1 by 8 value from the second part and 1 by 4 from the first part, and it will be straight for 1 because it's y of y minus 1, and the second part will be end at 9, and because the second part will be y minus 9. In same way we can obtain the distribution function. It will also have step function shifted towards positive side of 1, so it will be also the mean value will be 1, and the second part which is amplitude of 1 by 4 is shifted to 9. So this part curve will be 1 by 4 root over f y plus 1, and the half main part will be 1 by 2 root y. So we can find the energy function of y is equal to 1 by 4 integration of 0 to 1 4 1 divided by root y dy plus 1 by 8 integration of 1 to 9 y into 1 by root y dy, which equal to 1 by 4 0 to 1 root y dy plus 1 by 8 into root y dy. By taking the integration of root y dy, we can get 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 into y to the power 3 by 2, and the limit will be from 0 to 1. Similarly, we can obtain this from also, this term also. The integration of root y dy will equal to y to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 for the limit equal to 1 to 9. So putting the value of y, we can get 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into 27 minus 1, which equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into 26. So for final answer will be 7 by 3.